Namaste, welcome to our channel where we explore the ancient and powerful practices of yoga. Today we are diving deep into a crucial aspect of yoga, pranayama, the science of breath control. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned yogi, pranayama is an essential practice for unlocking the full potential of your body, mind and spirit. Pranayama is often described as breath control, but this simple translation doesn't fully capture its depth. The word pranayama is made up of two Sanskrit roots, prana meaning vital energy or life force and ayam meaning extension or expansion. Prana is the life force that exists in everything, not just the air we breathe. It flows through our bodies via energy channels called nadis. By practicing pranayama, we harness this vital energy to elevate our consciousness and balance our mind and body. Before diving into pranayama, it is important to establish a strong foundation in asana practice. As stated in the Hatha Yoga Pradipika, 2nd chapter, 1st shloka, Athaasane dridhe, yogi, vashee, hitamitaashanaha, Guroopadishtamaargena, praanaayaamaansamabhyset. Once established in asana and with control over the body, following a balanced diet, pranayama should be practiced according to the guidance of the Guru. This quote emphasizes the importance of a stable asana practice and balanced diet before we begin pranayama. Only then can we truly harness the power of the breath. There are 4 key aspects of pranayama practice. First, Pooraka, inhalation. Inhalation is the process of drawing prana into the body, filling the lungs and energizing the system. A slow, controlled inhalation brings calm and focus. Second, Rechaka, exhalation. Exhalation is the release of stale energy from the body, clearing mental and physical blockages. A deep steady exhalation purges negativity. Third, Kumbhaka, internal retention. Internal breath retention is holding the breath after inhalation, creating a pause that allows the prana to settle and circulate throughout the body. Fourth, Kumbhaka, external retention. External retention is holding the breath after exhalation. This extends the movement of stillness, allowing deeper awareness and focus. Among these aspects, Kumbhaka, breath retention, is considered the most important. It is through Kumbhaka that we learn to control the fluctuations of prana in our bodies. But Kumbhaka is not something to rush into. As the Hatha Yoga Pradipika suggests, pranayama begins with Pooraka and Rechaka to prepare the body, strengthening the lungs and calming the nervous system before advancing to the practice of Kumbhaka. At the highest level of pranayama, we reach a state called Kevala, spontaneous breath retention. This advanced stage occurs during deep meditation, when the breath naturally ceases. At this point, prana flows effortlessly and the practitioner attain a higher state of awareness and consciousness. Pranayama does much more than simply regulate the breath. It regulates the flow of prana through the body, cleansing and strengthening the nervous system and calming the mind. By purifying the nadis and balancing the energy flow, pranayama induces physical, mental and emotional stability. It helps reduce stress, enhance concentration and brings a sense of inner peace. To begin practicing pranayama, start with simple techniques such as nadi shodhan or ujjayi. As you develop control, you can gradually incorporate more advanced practices, always under the guidance of an experienced teacher. Pranayama is a profound practice that connects us to the very essence of life. By learning to control our breath, we expand the flow of prana, leading us to greater health, vitality, and spiritual awareness. I encourage you to explore pranayama in your own practice, and remember, take it one breath at a time. Don't forget to check out our other playlist on philosophy, mudras, chakras, asanas, mantras, and much more. There is a treasure trove of content to deepen your understanding of yoga in all its forms. And stay connected because we have exciting upcoming videos diving deeper into pranayama with advanced techniques and tips to elevate your practice. If you enjoyed this video, like, share and subscribe so you never miss out on our yoga journey together. Namaste.